Hello everybody, Jessica here. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come back and finish up this page that we were working on. It would be yesterday for you, but it's like 5 minutes for me. Oh, this light is off. Hold on, let me see if I can turn this extra light on. Oops, that was not it. There we go. How's that? That's better. Okay. So I'm glad I paused and reevaluated because I decided that I was trying to throw way too much onto this page. So instead of doing 3 of these, we're going to do 2. And that extra one I can maybe include on either somewhere else in this project or maybe even on a different project. And the flat pen, I'm going to put someplace else because I think that this is plenty visually and storage wise as well. So I also picked out some pieces from a field guide that I have. Now this field guide that I took this one from is a really interesting field guide in that it has birds, it has mammals, it has some whales. It's like a little bit of everything: reptiles, snakes, toads, frogs, sharks, fish. So yeah, so it's got a little bit of a whole bunch of different things in it. And it has like these comparisons, which is really nice because in our regular bird books, you don't always get the comparisons of similar species right next to each other. So I kind of like that about this one. So I took the comparison of the hawks because you always, it's always really helpful. And I inked up the edges and I tore it out. And then these guys, these are all different parts of the swallowtail, spicebush swallowtail page from a little golden guide for butterflies. Let me see. I have stuff all over my table. It's crazy. From a golden guide to butterflies and moths. And this is actually a really great guide, both as a guide and as a junk journal resource, because it has really nice illustrations. And the paper is a little glossy, but I think you can just ink it up and it's really quite nice. And they're not too bright. They're kind of subdued. It's a really nice one. Okay, so what I want to do is glue this down. I've also grabbed some of my box of labels and my Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous Field Notes CMS 396 set of stamps. So let me first glue these down. So I'm going to glue this down right here. Like so.
Nope. I'm just trying to get a bunch of things done and
like that. And then let's see. Here's my box of labels. And let's see what else we would like to stick on here. I have some labels that I have made out of tracing paper and different stamps, and these are all plants, which might be nice, and watercolors, but I'm not sure if that's what should go there. I might try to use that someplace else in here. I also have a whole bunch of Tracy stamps. These aren't stamps. What are these? These are labels. Sorry. All right, field label approved would fit nicely there. I also like this little natural history one. Do we have any in color in here that we would like to do? That one's natural history. Without any ink on it or any coffee dye. See, this is the bird one. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Oh, this is it. This is kind of cute. Here, let's cut out this insect, and that way we have birds, bugs, and butterflies. I'm gonna ink that up. And then this can go here. Like, these are all the important things that this person is trying to keep track of. And then this little natural history, specimen info. I'm just looking to see if there are any little ones in color that I might like to grab. Confirmed. Here's just a number. Kind of want to go in a different direction though. What do we have? Green. That's kind of big. Type. Do we want that? No, that's not doing it for me. All right, let's go back to this natural history. Let me give this a little bit of a cut out here and an ink.
Which one? The second one?
Like this. Okay. Natural history. Natural history. It's just a little too big. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Okay, hold on. Could do natural history and a number. And here's a, let's see. It's just an awkward little spot. Maybe I do want that field label approved. Let's just cut out this little shape here. Like that. Field label approved. And then maybe a number, a stamped number. Okay, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna give this a little bit of an ink. And I'm gonna glue this down. Oh, I didn't mean to put that in there. Glue this down. Because it just kind of fits the space well. And then maybe a number. Oh, 5. Yes, yes, I prefer that. Okay, what color do we want? Do we just want black? I think we just want black. Let me get a little one of these.
Truck cutter is the debit card at the office. In the lockbox. Okay.
Ta-da! And then, actually, I think we might need a little coffee staining right there. Because I grabbed my coffee ring stencil. Where did I put my coffee ring stencil? Ugh, I hate it when you put something away and other things fall out. There's got to be a better way. Okay, coffee ring stencil is right here. And I'm going to do... like that. And I have some walnut stain and a brush. And this is going to be the one that's up and behind. So
I emailed, I think we should try to get as many quotes as possible over the next couple of days. I'd be happy to email people to see.
there we go.
So how should I know offhand?
Yes, like that. And then I'll put a label in there as well. Okay, so that's going to go there. Now let's do the front one. And glue this down real quick. I've already inked these. I don't want to miss out on any of the edges here. And this is the Spice Bush Swallowtail Larva.
I think we're going to have to call up as many of them as possible to see who's got supplies in the next 2 months.
Is going to go there. And this is the map of where you can find the Spice Bush Swallowtail. Like that. And then we need, definitely need a label. And I saw a field notes when I was rummaging. Oh, here's Division of Entomology.
Okay, I appreciate that. All right, thank you.
Yes, I like that. Right there in the middle. And then a number. I need something right in there. Filed. Go with filed. Yep, I think we're gonna go with filed. Good old reliable filed. Ta-da! And then some coffee splats. Just like that. I don't know why, but I prefer these in walnut stain. I just think that they show up a little bit better. I definitely want to get that onto the folder too. Let's see. Maybe I'll do these guys here onto the folder. Yeah, that showed up nicely. This splat was kind of think I can line it up again. I think it went like that. Better, better. Maybe one little bit of splatter over here. And a couple little dots there so it doesn't look like it's been left out. Okay, I am liking that. Put this over to the side. All right, so this is gonna go like this, and this is going to go like this. Oh, and the other thing I should tell you that I did was I cut off the last little flap because it was just too much. Just too much. Okay, so I think what I need to do is, I need to actually glue this part down first. But I need to figure out where I'm going before I can do that, because I want this to catch whatever in this top one too. Actually, I can slide it in there. No, I don't want to have to do that though. Okay, so that's going to go there, and this is going to go here. I need to stencil something there, or I don't know. Maybe I'll move these guys over right to the edge there and down to the bottom so we can see as much of the map as possible. Okay. Yep, this is what I'm doing. Okay. I'm just going to leave that right there. Okay, so bum bum bum, moment of truth. We are gluing down. So I'm putting glue on the flanges, and then I'm also going to put a little bit of glue at the base of these gussets so that the bottom actually pinches down a little bit. And we want this to be right against this edge, like this. And that way, I'm just gonna hold it for a sec. And remember, this is still a little bit of a tuck right in here. I feel like that's ever so slightly wonky, but there's nothing I can do about that right now. It lines up with this edge. Okay. And then for here, we need to, I think I'm going to glue this down first. Yep, that's right. So this is going to slide right in there to catch anything that comes through. And that needs to get snugged up right to this edge as well. Like that. Okay, so far so good. Now I need to glue down the gussets on this one. Like this. Okay, looking good. Just worried for a second that I might be, you know, gluing the pages together. All right, I'm just gonna hold that down for a moment. Maybe I'll do it right here and right here and right here. Okay. All right. So now what we need to do is glue down the pouch, my little cute magnetic pouch. So actually that's my second version. I tried doing a lined pouch, but look at how thick that was coming out. Just was going to be a monster pouch. So I'll have to find some other use for that. And I really like my nice little slimline magnetic pouch here. So to glue this down, I was thinking that I would do 4 Velcro dots, 1 in each corner. And that way it can be removed. And to that end, I have these. And I have these. Wait, some of these are supposed to be fuzzy. These are super old. I've had these for a very long time. They actually have a little stickiness to them, but I'm not going to trust the stickiness. So I think I'll do fuzzy side to the fabric. There's another pair. Pardon me. I need to find another fuzzy. These are all like almost in pairs. So there's a fuzzy and a prickly, and here's a fuzzy and a prickly. Get them lined up. And then I'm gonna augment the sticky that they come with a little Fabri-Tac. Put this back in the bag. Ugh. Okay. Fabri-Tac. Okay, are they all fuzzy side? Nope, that's the fuzzy side, that's the fuzzy side, and that's the fuzzy side. So now they're all fuzzy side up. So I'm going to put a little bit of Fabri-Tac, 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 and then I'm going to put them in the 4 corners there. And there. Here you go. And then I'm going to glue this down.
Probably in the settings for your phone.
And glue this down. Okay. Hopefully this will stick. Okay, I want it to go right up here. How would I want to put that? Do I center it? If I put it here, there's a little bit of room to maneuver things in and out. I think that's what I will do. Okay. So this is how the first page is gonna be. So that has a gusseted pocket, and that has a gusseted pocket, and we can put interesting things in these gusseted pockets, and then we're gonna have something interesting to stick in that, and then that just magnets closed. Excellent. I'm happy with that. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me. It is a little wonky. there's nothing I can do. It came out wonky. So be it. So yeah, so thank you so much for joining me. I have to think about what we're doing on these pages next. But when I have figured that out, I will bring you along with me. Thanks so much for stopping by. Please consider clicking like, hit that subscribe button. It really does help the video creators with our small creative businesses. Have a great day. Stay well. Bye-bye.